Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Aquarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up, Aquarius. I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving a message from your person at last. So let's see what is coming, Aquarius. Let's see what's coming for you all. Seven of Wands, the Magician, Five of Swords, Three of Hearts, Three of Swords, sorry guys, Page of Swords. Okay. With these cards, Aquarius, I feel this person has some kind of doubts uh, regarding you. Maybe they feel you're very successful, skilled, and in whatever situation you just come over the top of everybody else, and they are really jealous of you guys. This may be your person or somebody in your friend circle, from your work, in your family. Okay, somebody is feeling jealous of you, and they are doubting you. They really can't believe that you are such a skilled person, you are able to handle any situation successfully. So they have this kind of jealousy and doubt towards you, and they may be some people may be spying you. Maybe this is your person spying on you. Okay, they may have doubts like how you can come, you can successfully do everything. So they may be doubting you, and they just want to know the truth. They are uh, in a very uh, they are gathering information about you from your friends, something of that sort, guys. They are thinking that you're seeing somebody, there is some other person involved in your life, and so they are being very vigilant. Or this may be your energy, guys. You are having some kind of doubt with this person, some kind of jealousy. You are trying to gather information about them, about this person you're seeing, and you are just having doubts, guys, towards this person. You're not sure, you're not sure about this person. So that is the energy here, guys, Aquarius. So what is the reason for this doubt? Let us see what is coming up from the other deck, Aquarius. Let's see. Aquarius, let's see why you're feeling this way about your person, why you're having doubts in your mind regarding this person. Fox. Aquarius, maybe the reason for your doubt is maybe you're not able to trust them completely, because you were having few issues in the past. Maybe they tried to cheat you, they tried to deceive you in the past. Some kind of trust issues were there in the past, so it is still continuing. You are not able to trust them, guys, but something is coming to an end, guys. Maybe these issues, maybe it is the time for you to openly talk to them, communicate with them freely, and get a understanding in your situation, guys. When you communicate with them, you will understand what is happening. Maybe you would have felt they are manipulating you in your relationship just to what to say, make their agenda work. Some kind of manipulation you would have had in the past, that you're unable to trust this person totally and trust this relationship, guys. That may be the energy here, guys. But something is coming to an end, guys. Something is closing. Maybe if this person is really having someone else, maybe that is ending, or this relationship with you, maybe it is ending. So something is coming to a close, guys. Something is ending. This may be because of what to say, your choice, your abilities, of how you handle things. This person is totally not free with you because they feel you are very what to say, capable, skilled and responsible in whatever and however you do your things. Okay, so you're successful and they feel a little bit um, they feel they are not they do not have that much capacity. Maybe that may be the reason for them to behave in such a way, guys. So this relationship is not based on strong what to say, strong foundations of trust and loyalty. So you need to give this person time, guys. There is some kind of negativity happening, Aquarius. So maybe this person is trying to cheat you, or you are not able to trust them because of that. That may be the energy here. I'll be picking 3 cards from the message deck, guys. Let's see what is coming up. Let's see what the person truly feels about you, guys. You make me feel adored. You support me in my interests and hobbies. I feel comfortable in your arms. Aquarius, maybe this person really loves you, but they are quite intimidated by your success, by how you handle things, by your skills, your position or status. Okay, so they may be their behavior may be quite different towards you. So that may be the reason of you thinking about them this way. Okay, that they are trying to cheat you, or they are trying they may be seeing somebody. But you need to communicate, guys. That is the energy here. You need to voice out your thoughts and find a solution for this issue, Aquarius. That is the reading, guys. That is the reading for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.